Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stately 3-bedroom traditional home with elegant old world charm available for the right family. It is located on Orange Avenue in Ingleside, Mandeville. The two-level house has a cozy entryway, separate living and dining rooms, and an enclosed veranda. The ground level also includes a powder room, kitchen with an intimate breakfast nook and pantry. On the upper level, there are 3 roomy bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with views of the beautiful garden and views of Mandeville. The property has a 2-bedroom cottage that can be used as an income earner or in-law suite. The land size is 1.82 acres. The seller is motivated and the price is negotiable. Call today for a viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.